Ever dream of turning your lawn into food? It's easier than you think. Today, I'll show you how to turn a patch of grass into a productive kitchen garden in 4 crucial steps. I promise, even if you think you have a black thumb, you can do this. First, the most important decision is location. The secret is sun. Most vegetables, like tomatoes and peppers, need 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. If your spot only gets 4 to 6 hours, that's perfect for leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. So watch where the light falls in your yard. Pick a spot that gets plenty of sun and is close to a hose. You don't want to be hauling watering cans all summer. Once you've found your sunny spot, it's time to prepare it. My biggest advice is to start small. A 4 by 8 foot bed is perfect for a beginner. Big enough for a good harvest, but not overwhelming. Now for the grass. Don't dig it up. The easiest method is to smother it with plain brown cardboard. Lay it right on the grass, overlapping the edges. This blocks light, kills the grass, and the cardboard decomposes right into your soil. Then you can build a simple raised bed frame right on top. Great soil is the absolute secret to success. Your plants are hungry, so fill your new bed with a mix of compost and topsoil. A good rule of thumb is to mix a 2 to 3 inch layer of compost into the top 6 inches of soil. Compost adds nutrients, improves drainage, and helps hold moisture. You can buy it bagged or check if your local municipality offers it for cheap. Now, what to plant? The simple answer: grow what you love to eat. For some easy wins, try cut and come again lettuce for continuous salads. Radishes grow incredibly fast. Bush beans are famously productive and low maintenance. And if you're dreaming of tomatoes, start with a cherry tomato variety. They're tough and will give you handful after handful of sweet fruit. With your bed prepped, it's time to plant. If this guide helped you feel more ready, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tips this season. And let me know in the comments, what's the one vegetable you are most excited to grow? And there you have it. Just a little while ago, this was an empty patch of grass. Now, it's a garden bed, packed with potential and ready for life. We found a sunny spot, smothered the grass the smart way, built rich soil, and picked out some easy, delicious vegetables. Remember, gardening is a journey. Start small and enjoy the taste of food you've grown with your own 2 hands. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!